I've never nationwide.
All right.
Okay, good morning. Let's start with your name.
Hi, my name is Blessing Joel Akapsi. I'm from Biosystem. I am the director of social of FHA Youth Association.
Okay, so why are you here?
We are here to demonstrate peaceful protest. We are not here to protest. We are not here to protest against the government. Rather, we are here to let the government know that we are strongly behind them. Instead of doing this protest in the wrong way, rather it's better we have a good dialogue with the president. Which I believe a good dialogue with the president we bring a better outcome to this protest that is about to take place. We, the youth in Nigeria, we are not among those that want to vandalize this country with this protest. We are not among those that want to cause chaos in this protest. We are not, because two wrongs cannot make a right. That's why we say, because the president is a father and is a lover of the youth, and he has said he has the youth at hand. So we believe with a peaceful protest like this, we believe the president will answer us. So we are not here to cause problem, because the president is our daddy, and we are here with our daddy.
Okay, so one more question. That are you not supposed to have your day? Sorry, sir.
Playing against your fellow citizens, if you're being honest. It's alleged that you've been brought over because looking at you and the youth around you, obviously you're feeling the pinch of what's going on in the country. Why have you chosen to go against your fellow citizens? Because you've been compromised?
No, God forbid, I will not be compromised, because we are lover of peace. Yes. We are lover of peace. Here in Nigeria, here in FCT, we are lover of peace. I am the director of social, like I said before. We cannot go against the wish of the government, of the president. So that's why we are here to demonstrate a peaceful protest, to let the presidency know that we are with them. I cannot go. I won't betray my brothers. I won't betray my brother, because we don't even know the people that decided to. We don't even know the people that fixed this date of protest.
Is what they are saying, is it true? What Nigerians are going through? Are they saying the truth of what Nigerians are going through?
Yes, it's true. It's true, but we believe with good dialogue with the president will hear our cry.
You know, you said you don't know who are the organizers of the protest. Who are the ones organizing this particular protest?
Nobody.
How did you pay for the buses?
We are drivers.
We have drivers in our community. We have good leaders in our community.
Are you hungry? Somebody said he's hungry.
Okay, last question, sir. Now you are here for peace.
We've gotten the story.
Hello.
We are hungry too.
Hello, sir. Now you are here for peace.
Yes.
You are supposedly here for peace. Yes. So don't you think it could have been much more peaceful if you had chosen your day not to confront with this one that is happening today?
On another venue.
For another venue and another day. Don't you think that could have been much more better?
It's just to avoid vandalism. That's why we came out.
Food items, food commodities actually increasing to very alarming proportion. So this is the situation, and we are going to be giving you more details of the situation there.
Yes. We need them to work. They are working. They are working, but there's more work. Yeah, well done, sir.
You are highly welcome. No more protests in Africa.